When you join the Duke community, you become a Blue Devil.
You are irreversibly changed, charged, ready.
You make things possible. You will them into existence because that's what Blue Devils do.
You research like a Blue Devil,
expanding the boundaries of science.
You care like a Blue Devil, using humility as your guiding light.
You fight like a Blue Devil, conquering the challenges of tomorrow.
This month, show the world that you are a Blue Devil here to make a difference.
Join us in support of the people, programs,
and places we love.
Join us as we remember how we got to where we are and lay our path for where we want to be.
Join us as we teach like a Blue Devil.
Learn like a Blue Devil.
discover like a Blue Devil,
heal like a Blue Devil,
Serve like a Blue Devil.
Join us as we give
like a Blue Devil.